Sean's 40th birthday.
Mechanism. Off that hamster. She went. She didn't say a word.
Excuse
When
me.
it took it, she went in and told Brock.
I'm still skinny. Oh, you got.
This is the thin man came
You
by
are
my
in there.
chair, and he was thinner when he came out.
Good job. Half a pound, maybe. Half a pound. Okay, we got Cindy.
Hi, happy birthday, Sean.
We got Liz.
Happy birthday.
We got Jason.
Happy birthday.
We got Baby Jay.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ooh, that's good.
And a Congress.
We got a couple of movie
Happy
stars
birthday.
here. No, movie star and his wife.
Yeah, there you go.
Is this to remember tomorrow?
Just in case.
Dude, you ever get knock anybody up?
No, never.
Oh,
I'm
good,
waiting for
okay.
the residual.
Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Get funky with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Chop, chop now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Right foot again. Left foot
Hey, that's
again.
scary on Nice Shot.
Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands.
That's scary.
Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all.
Nice, thank you. Really good. Great.
How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like it never stop? Can you bring it to the top?